Okay, Gene, I'm going to go into a little bit of how to use the Easy Y bonus. I've already started this, but I'm going to go through it a little bit. Um, this is what I have so far. This kind of shows you where we are. Uh, Back to the bonus page. I'm going to edit it. So you can see where we are. So the dashboard basically shows how many views we got, which has just been me. Um, Page settings, you know where to get the affiliate link. If we don't have it yet, just put JVZoo in there. We want to show it in an iframe that shows it in the page. And we want to use color header notice. What color? I always use red for the header notice. That's this part right here. Okay? So then these are the links. These three settings right here is what they're talking about. So this is we just leave it alone what it is. This we change by putting the product name in there. And this is the style. We can change what that actually looks like. That are these little arrows right here. We can change this to different color. Well, I usually just leave it there as the gray. But you can change it if you want. And then you save that, preview it. Go back to design settings. Now this is where you put in the header and so forth. Now I'll show you a couple of things. This particular program doesn't work real well, I don't think. But basically you go out here to upload an image and you would select the file that you want to upload. In this case, be this one right here. And I'm not going to do it because I've already uploaded it, but you'd upload it, okay? So I'm just going to go find that one. It's this one right here. So once it gets uploaded, it will show you this, okay? Now, it would be nice if that would just put it there, but it doesn't. So we have to go to File URL, copy this URL, and save this off. It'll say save down here. This is already saved information. Then you paste that URL right in there. And we don't put anything for repeat. Background, we're using a custom background, so what we're doing now is we're using this background image right here. Again, you go down, hit File URL. This is right there. And that's what you'd paste in to this slot right here. Okay? Then I just leave that as a default. I save and preview it. And that's what we have without this in there. You'll have this right here. Okay? I'll show you a little bit how I made the header so you get an idea how to do that in another video, but not this one. Okay, so now we're going to go down to design settings. Let's see. Countdown settings. Okay? We want a countdown timer on this one. We put the date and the time zone. And we choose a color that's close to what we're doing. And we say down here what we want it to say when the time is off the timer. So that's what you get. So then that will get us what we see basically right here. Okay? So that's how far we've gotten so far. I hope that you understand. If you don't, get back to me and we'll explain a little further. Okay. This is a bonus intro copy. This is what it's going to go. I'm going to show you. I'm just going to hit this. So I'm going to save this. Now once we've got the preview, this is actually the page. So we're building this page out, so we don't need to copy this all the time. This will just go out. I'll not save it. Oh, it's there. You just can't see it. Okay. See that right there? That's what we're saying. This is going to go above the countdown timer. This is where we tell about the product. Whatever we want to say about the product. So we go here and we're going to look at the Nimbus page. So look here. Let's see, maybe this page may have more. So we're just going to copy this right here. No, that's not what I want to say because it's talking about JV prizes. We want to talk about the product itself. So we're going to go here. We're going to take that over to our page, bonus page. We're going to paste that in here. Now, we got to do something because it's on a dark background. The black text doesn't show up very well. So we want to save the text color. We're going to change that to white. We're going to save that. Now we're going to preview. Now this gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. So it's not real good. So what we want to do is, first off, we want to break it right after the and. Now, what I want to do now, just to make this easier to edit, I'm going to change this back to black. This just makes it easy to edit. So we want to do Control Shift, puts on a new line, and this is going to be, actually, I want that to be a new line, and this we want to go back, space, and now we'll look at this again, change it back to white. Save this, and look at it again. Now this line looks a little better. So we're going to break it right after business. And probably, now let's see. Again, I want to change this back to black. And I'll show you in a second why I do that. I'm just kind of guessing now where I want this to break at. And again, this is just a play with it till you get it to where it looks good. Refresh this. And it looks pretty good. I'm going to leave it there for now. I may go back and get a little later. Now I want to show you how to do this box down here. So, this is the main content to show off your offerings of the product. Notice this is what we're going to see. So, we want to say that one we're gonna. That's my spelling's not too good. Okay, we're gonna center that up. We're gonna make it a little bigger than what it is, and we're going to make it red so it stands out. So save that. Okay. Go look at it. Let's see what we've done. Now let's check out our bonuses. Okay, so now we want to start our bonuses underneath there. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert images, but we don't know what images we have out there. So I'm going to use the image that we just did a little earlier. So we select it. It's on my computer. It is in this bonus folder, and it is right here. We're going to upload that. Now, this will show you what we get when we upload it. See, I can insert it in a post. It won't insert into there. Click the file URL. Copy this off. Copy. Save all changes. Now, what that does, that puts it in the media file. So now then we go here where we want to actually insert this. So insert right there, hit insert image and put that right in there. Go right there, and now we've got it put in there. So then we want another one. Insert image. Let's go pick one that we've done before. So we go here. We can look there. There's slider, leads, around page, opt-in, lead pages, grid description. So let's just pick this one. Show. Get the URL. Okay, insert image and paste it there. Now, that sits down there, so we're going to save. Go out here and look. Now, that shows you basically how to do a page. We got a couple other things I want you to see. Is that's the bonus page. Opt-in copy. We want opt-in. We want off. We just want them to opt in. Well, actually, we want that on. What am I doing? No. I want this off. Okay. What this does, this is what they're going to see after they've registered for our bonus. In other words, when they go here and they register for the bonus, it's going to ask them for their name, PayPal transaction, all that, and this is what they're going to see when they put information in there. Then they're going to be taken to this page, a screen that says this. something to that nature. Let's save that. Okay, opt-in social sharing. We're not using that. We're not using integrated autoresponder right now. Footer copy. We could put a copyright in there if we want to, but I'm not putting anything in there right now. So that's basically where we are. So now what I want to show you is, let's see. I'm going to close this video out. We'll make another one.